Alright, now let's continue our discussion on perfectly competitive market. हमने demand curve देख लिया, a straight horizontal line, right? I call this demand curve. I always call this demand curve a 4-in-1 line. मैं इसको 4-in-1 line कहती हूँ. It's one line, it's only one line, but it is serving 4 roles. It is the demand curve that we've all seen. It is the price line as well. It is telling us the price at which output is being sold. So it is the price line. Number third, it is also the marginal revenue curve. Demand curve in a perfectly competitive market is also the marginal revenue curve. I'll explain this shortly. Number fourth, it is also the average revenue curve. I'll also explain it shortly, right? First 2 points are clear. This demand curve, number one, it's the demand curve. Number second, it is the price line. How is it the marginal? Why is the demand curve also the marginal revenue curve? How come? Just let's do simple mathematics. Let's say तुम्हारा first unit sold होगा $5 पे. That's what your equilibrium price is. You're a firm operating in a perfectly competitive market. Market has settled at $5. So your first unit will be sold at $5. Your total revenue will be $5. Marginal revenue क्या होगा? Additional revenue earned when you sold an additional unit $5. जब तुमने एक यूनिट सेल किया $5 मिले एडिशनल, तो मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू विल बी $5. सेकेंड यूनिट कितने का बिकेगा? आई टोल्ड यू $5. एज लॉन्ग एज द मार्केट इज एट $5, every time you will sell any unit, it will be sold at $5. You have to take the price from the market. Total revenue of two goods combined कितना हो जाएगा? 5 + 5 10. This is your total revenue when you are selling two goods. What is the marginal revenue when you sold the second unit? जब दूसरा यूनिट सेल किया, हाउ मच एडिशनल रेवेन्यू डिड यू अर्न? 10 - 5 राइट. थर्ड यूनिट सेल करना है अगेन एट $5. टोटल रेवेन्यू विल बी 5 + 5 + 5. टोटल रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑल यूनिट्स 5 + 5 + 5 15. मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू क्या होगा? हाउ मच एडिशनल रेवेन्यू अर्न व्हेन यू सोल्ड वन एडिशनल यूनिट द थर्ड यूनिट. 15 - 10 5. तो कंक्लूजन क्या है? योर प्राइस इज इक्वल टू योर मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू परफेक्टली कंपेटिटिव मार्केट में, राइट? योर प्राइस इज इक्वल टू योर marginal revenue. That's the reason I'm saying that demand curve, which is also your price line, is also your marginal revenue curve, right? Another thing that we want to show, demand curve, it's also the average revenue curve. How come? किस तरह? Let's take this same table in order to understand this concept, right? C Control V. Here I'm calculating average revenue, AR, right? Average revenue का formula क्या होगा? Very simple. Revenue per unit, यानी total revenue TR divided by total output produced. Let me write the full form. Total revenue divided by total output, right? This is your column for average revenue. अब कैलकुलेट कर लो, दैट्स इट. टोटल रेवेन्यू यहाँ पे कितना था? 5 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल आउटपुट कितना प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है? 1. ये 5 हो गया, राइट? यहाँ पे टोटल रेवेन्यू कितना है? 10. टोटल आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस कितने हैं? 2. अगेन 5. टोटल रेवेन्यू कितना है? 15. टोटल आउटपुट्स कितने प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं? 3. अगेन 5. सो व्हाट इज़ द कंक्लूजन? कंक्लूजन क्या है? तुम्हारा प्राइस और तुम्हारा टोटल रेवेन्यू, तुम्हारा they are equal. Your price is equal to your average revenue. पहला conclusion क्या था? Your price is equal to your marginal revenue. Now you've also proved that your price is equal to average revenue, right? There is another very short way, a very short and simple way to prove that price is equal to average revenue, right? कैसे करोगे? average revenue का formula हमें पता है, total revenue divided by output, right? अब टोटल रेवेन्यू को एक्सपेंड कर दो, प्राइस टाइम्स क्वांटिटी. टोटल रेवेन्यू इज इक्वल टू प्राइस टाइम्स क्वांटिटी. प्राइस टाइम्स वाई डिवाइडेड बाय आउटपुट, राइट? y से y कैंसिल हो गया, एवरेज रेवेन्यू इज इक्वल टू प्राइस. दिस इज अनदर वे टू प्रूव दैट एवरेज रेवेन्यू इज equal to price, right? One thing which I want you to remember, price जो marginal revenue के बराबर है, this situation in which price is equal to marginal revenue is only applicable in case of perfect competition. It is not applicable on other market structures, monopolistic competition, monopoly, oligopoly, right? This situation where price is equal to marginal revenue is only applicable on perfectly competitive markets. And this situation where your average revenue is equal to price, this is applicable on all market structures. Applicable on all market structures. कोई भी market structure हो, उसका total revenue तो price times y ही होगा, right? It is applicable on all market structures. So overall conclusion क्या है? Price is equal to marginal revenue is equal to average revenue in case of perfectly competitive market. In case of perfectly competitive market, right? And all of them they're captured by the demand curve. जो तुम्हारा demand curve है, all these values are captured by the demand curve, right? There is a teacher who has come up with a mnemonic, with a terminology. He calls this demand curve Mr. Duck, so that students do not face any difficulty in memorizing these four roles. MR क्या है? Marginal revenue. Mr. Dup, this line is Mr. Dup. ये Mr. Dup है कौन भाई? MR is marginal revenue, D is your demand curve, AR in the middle is your average revenue, P in the end is your price. So this line is basically, I call it 4-in-1 line, but there are others who call it Mr. Dup, right? That's it.